Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be unboxing the Ring video doorbell. So front of the box, see and hear visitors from anywhere. This is not the wired, this is the battery one. So it works with Google app, Google Play, Google app, Apple Store. On the back it says here 1080p video, two-way walkie-talkie, story, review and share, motion activated. For the store review and share, I'm pretty sure you have to have their additional service. I'll have a look at that. Then night vision and then live view. And I think with live view, it's not as long. So let's open her up. All right, tape here. Back nothing. So open her up. So first up, we've got this blue case. There's always home. If we open it here, I've got tons of stickers. All the different stickers, so the usual in different languages. Ring warranty terms, Ring video doorbell, second generation, and then video doorbell. So it's interesting, they actually gave you both. Cool. And then open her up. Stay. And then here we've got install tools. And for the install tools, they're giving us one Allen key, two little metal thingies, a level, charging cable, three little Allen key screws, so these fit here. And then there's like a little squished piece of paper. Oh no, it's not a piece of paper. It's 1, 2, 4 screws. A small little baby screw inside. And then that's it. And then I've got the device. So if we take it off. A bit of a fail if you pull it. There you go here. Oh, maybe I should have started here. So that looks like those two screws that well, there's 3 of them. It's got 2 on the label, but there's 3, so it's probably an extra. So basically you put those in that hole, and then if we go, it probably slides out somehow. Cool. I know you get this normally in silver. I think that's the normal, that one that people go for. But for this, we tried the more, it's like a metallic brown. Connect to low voltage. Lower only. Dong. Just trying to work out. Let's try. Probably not a smart idea. Oh, it's magnetized. Hook and pivot, attach your video doorbell. So we'll put that on and this will come off. We charge this guy for the day and then we put it back. So hook and pivot. And this doesn't come out. Okay, so once you unscrew it, grab a knife. No, I don't know. We'll see, but my way's the knife. And then obviously scan during setup. And you've got a low voltage there as well. That's probably some sort of a reset. Oh.
Say hello to Ring. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
Dun-dun-dun-dun. Cool. Thanks, guys. And that is unboxing the Ring video doorbell.